Cloudflare queries 1.61 quadrillion rows and gets answers back in under 2 seconds. The engine behind that is ClickHouse, a free open-source database you can install with one curl command. If you're paying a SIEM vendor to search your logs slowly, this one's for you. ClickHouse is a column-oriented analytics database written in C++, sitting at nearly 48,000 GitHub stars under an Apache 2.0 license. It has been crushing production workloads since 2012. Over 2,000 companies pay for the managed cloud, and the open-source core powers Cloudflare, Anthropic, and Tesla-scale data. Security teams are quietly rebuilding their SIEM backends on top of it. Stick around. In a few minutes, I'm going to hunt brute force attackers through 12 million raw log lines on a laptop with a single binary and zero infrastructure. Pull up clickhouse.com on your phone, and the pitch lands immediately. Real-time analytics at a scale most databases can't touch. Scroll the homepage and the customer wall reads like a who's who. Cloudflare, Vercel, LangChain, Anthropic. Companies that measure traffic in billions of events per hour. ClickHouse Cloud is the managed product that pays the bills, but everything I'm showing you today runs on the free open source core. The same engine handles observability traces, product analytics, fraud detection, and security event pipelines. One SQL dialect, one storage format, from a laptop to Cloudflare's 300+ data centers. That range is the whole story here. So why is it this fast? Traditional row store databases read entire records off disk even when you only need one field. ClickHouse stores each column separately, so a query that counts failed logins by source IP touches exactly 2 columns and skips everything else. Columns full of similar values compress brutally well, which means your log archive shrinks instead of exploding. And the execution engine is vectorized. It processes values in CPU-friendly batches instead of one row at a time. Security data is the perfect victim, append-only, timestamp ordered, and queried in aggregates. That's exactly the workload ClickHouse was built for. Let's put Cloudflare-Scale on screen, because the numbers are absurd. A 1-hour analytics window means scanning 96 trillion events. Stretch the same query to a full day, and the count climbs past 1,010 trillion rows. Here's the part that matters. Response time stays under 2 seconds in both cases, with roughly a 1% error margin from sample-based aggregation. That's the trick. ClickHouse trades a sliver of precision for enormous speed, and for dashboards and incident triage, that trade costs you nothing. Here's the payoff I promised. One curl command downloads a single ClickHouse binary. No server, no cluster, no dependencies. Now point clickhouse-local at a raw CSV export of auth events, 12 million rows straight from a log shipper, and ask it a real incident response question. Which source IPs are hammering failed logins? Plain SQL, querying a file on disk like it's a table. The answer comes back in 84 milliseconds. 2 RFC documentation range IPs immediately stand out with thousands of failures. That's your brute force shortlist, and you didn't ingest anything into a SIEM, didn't wait on an indexer, didn't pay a license. The same query scales unchanged to a clustered deployment with years of retention. Who's behind this? ClickHouse started in 2009 as one engineer's experiment at Yandex. Alexei Milovdov needed to generate analytics reports in real time from non-aggregated data for Yandex Metrica, then one of the largest web analytics platforms on Earth. He is called open sourcing it in 2016, the most important decision of his career. Today, the ClickHouse Git Hub organization maintains 330 public repositories, and Milovdov is CTO of the company that spun out around the project. The org's GitHub bio now reads, "The leading database for AI," a tell for where the customer base has shifted. Cloudflare has run open source ClickHouse for nearly a decade, across more than 300 data centers, in an active configuration. Their senior director of engineering puts the operating philosophy bluntly. Translation: they trust this engine to absorb whatever tomorrow's attack traffic looks like. The repository itself is a beast. 8,500 forks and a C++ codebase with commit activity that barely sleeps. The project ships a stable release every single month, and version 26.5 landed just days ago. Scroll the README, and you'll find the docs, the public roadmap, and recordings of the monthly release webinars. This is one of the most actively developed open-source databases in existence. The timeline tells you how rare this trajectory is. An internal experiment in 2009, production at Yandex by 2012, open-sourced under Apache 2.0 in June 2016, when nothing else of that quality existed in open-source analytics. ClickHouse Incorporated spun out in September 2021 and immediately raised a $250 million Series B at a $2 billion valuation. May 2025 brought a $350 million Series C led by Cloudflare Ventures, pushing total funding past $650 million. And in 2026, the releases keep landing every month, with no sign of the pace slowing. Modern ClickHouse is far more than a fast group by machine. The 26.2 release earlier this year made the full-text search index generally available, so you can grep terabytes of logs with proper tokenization. Vector indexes now spill beyond a single machine's memory, which matters if you're doing semantic search over security reports. There's native TOTP two-factor authentication for database logins. ClickStack gives you an embedded observability UI straight from the built-in HTTP interface, and tiered storage pushes cold data to object storage automatically. Streaming inserts, materialized views, S3 and Parquet everywhere. The feature velocity is a moat in itself. So what does this look like next to the SIEM you're paying for? With a legacy SIEM, your build per gigabyte ingested, you query in a proprietary language, and long window searches can take minutes. A ClickHouse-based stack flips every one of those. The license is free, the query language is SQL your whole team already knows. Aggregations come back in sub-second time, and retention is cheap object storage instead of a contract negotiation. That's why a wave of new security platforms quietly run ClickHouse underneath. Now connect the dots back to security. RunReveal built an entire security data platform on ClickHouse Cloud. Raw logs from SaaS and cloud services in, anomaly, and compromise detection out. ClickHouse's own internal security team runs its detection pipeline on exactly that stack, and the business numbers on screen back it up. The customer count keeps climbing, and annual recurring revenue more than quadrupled in a year. When defenders and investors agree this hard, your SIEM roadmap should at least take the meeting. Everything lives in the ClickHouse repo on GitHub. Apache 2.0 licensed, monthly stable releases, and a community that answers questions fast. Clone it, throw your ugliest CSV exports at clickhouse-local, and time the queries against whatever you're running today. If you build a detection pipeline on it, drop your setup in the comments. I read everyone. That's ClickHouse. Quadrillion row speed, 1 binary simplicity, 0 license fees. Subscribe to Prism Labs for a new security tool deep dive every week, and I'll see you in the next one.